Yeah, we are expecting some strong cold fronts here soon, and so I figured it would be time to remove the garden hose, store it in the shed, and apply some nice protection, because this thing is fully outside. You can see I was looking for something to give some optimal protection against rain, cold, frost, and even some sun. And so I found this awesome protection. Come a little bit closer to show you here how thick this really is. So there's waterproof protection outside, then we have a thick insulation, and it's even nicely made inside. So everything is really good. We have also this Velcro strap, and so it's super easy to add. We just put it over it, pull it fully down, and then take this Velcro strap, put it all the way around. So you can see it's also nicely visible and gives full protection from the top till the very bottom, and not only against frost but also against rain, even sun. So an absolutely awesome thing, and this has a really good hold, so there's no way that wind can remove it. So I can leave it like that and then remove it in the next spring. Absolute awesome protection, full recommendation from my side, so you can buy directly here from Amazon. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you like it, give me a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.